Have you heard about celery juice and its supposed health benefits? With social media flooded with influencers and celebrities promoting this beverage as a miraculous solution to a variety of health issues, the question arises, does celery juice live up to all this hype? We're here today to explore and question the benefits of celery juice, delving deep into the science behind the claims. Let's find out together if celery juice is truly a panacea or just another passing fad. Join us on this journey to separate fact from fiction when it comes to celery juice. 1. Hydration. Celery juice is a valuable hydrating choice due to its high water content. Water is vital for almost all physiological processes in the human body. It plays crucial roles in regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, eliminating waste, and lubricating joints. Dehydration can lead to a range of health problems, including fatigue, decreased cognitive function, and kidney issues. Celery juice, with its high water content, can help maintain the body's hydration levels, especially during warmer months or after intense physical activities. Additionally, unlike some sugary or caffeinated beverages, celery juice provides hydration without adding empty calories or substances that can lead to dehydration, such as alcohol or caffeine. 2. Nutrient-rich. Celery juice is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for health and well-being. A serving of celery juice may contain a variety of important nutrients, including vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, folate, and a range of antioxidants. Vitamin K is crucial for proper blood clotting as well as bone health, aiding in calcium absorption and preventing osteoporosis. Vitamin C is known for its role in the immune system, acting as an antioxidant and protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. Potassium is an essential electrolyte for muscle function, fluid balance, and cardiovascular health. Folate is needed for DNA and RNA synthesis, as well as playing a crucial role in cell division and preventing neural tube defects in fetuses. The antioxidants present in celery juice, such as flavonoids and polyphenol, help combat oxidative damage in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Celery contains various bioactive compounds, including antioxidants and phytonutrients, that exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is an immune system response to injury, infection, or irritation and can be both acute and chronic. Acute inflammation is a temporary and beneficial body response to fight infections and promote healing, while chronic inflammation can contribute to a range of health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and cancer. The anti-inflammatory compounds found in celery can help reduce the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and enzymes, thus decreasing the inflammatory response in the body. For example, celery contains luteolin, a flavonoid with anti-inflammatory properties that has been shown to inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and reduce inflammation in laboratory studies. Additionally, caffeic acid and chlorogenic acid found in celery also exhibit anti-inflammatory and antioxidant activities, helping to protect cells from oxidative damage associated with chronic inflammation. 4. Healthy digestion. Celery juice is often praised for its beneficial properties for the digestive system. Celery is an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is essential for digestive health. Dietary fibers are primarily found in plant-based foods and are important for maintaining bowel regularity, preventing constipation, and promoting colon health. Fibers also play a crucial role in feeding beneficial bacteria in the gut, thus promoting a healthy intestinal microbiome and reducing the risk of intestinal diseases such as irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, and colorectal cancer. Additionally, celery contains bioactive compounds such as coumarin, which may help reduce inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract, relieving symptoms of digestive disorders such as bloating, gas, and cramps. The presence of water in celery juice can also help hydrate the digestive tract and soften stools, easing passage through the colon. 5. A cardiovascular health support. Celery juice may offer a range of benefits for cardiovascular health due to its nutritional content and bioactive properties. For example, studies in animals and test tubes suggest that celery contains compounds such as phthalides and flavonoids that may help reduce LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, and triglyceride levels while increasing HDL cholesterol, good cholesterol. Additionally, celery is a natural source of nitrates, which can be converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide is an important molecule that helps dilate blood vessels, thus improving blood flow, reducing blood pressure, and decreasing the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as hypertension, stroke, and coronary artery disease. Furthermore, the antioxidants present in celery juice, such as vitamin C and flavonoids, help protect the heart and blood vessels from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis and other cardiovascular problems. Human studies are needed to confirm these benefits and better understand the mechanisms by which celery juice may affect cardiovascular health. However, so far, evidence suggests that including celery juice in a balanced diet may be a useful strategy for maintaining heart health. 6. Potential bone health support. The vitamin K found in celery juice plays a crucial role in bone health by aiding in calcium absorption and regulating bone metabolism. Calcium is essential for bone and teeth formation and maintenance, and vitamin K acts as a cofactor in the production of proteins that help deposit calcium in bones, strengthening their structure and preventing bone loss. Additionally, studies suggest that vitamin K may help reduce the risk of bone fractures and improve bone mineral density, especially in older individuals. Including celery juice in the diet can provide an additional source of vitamin K, thus contributing to long-term bone health. However, it is important to note that bone health is influenced by a variety of factors, including calcium intake, physical activity, sun exposure, and other nutrients besides vitamin K. 7. Detox potential. Although the concept of a detoxification is widely debated in the health community, some claim that celery juice may help support the body's natural detoxification processes. Celery is primarily composed of water and fiber, which can help hydrate the body and promote intestinal regularity, facilitating the elimination of toxins and waste from the body. Additionally, celery juice is rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body, protecting cells from damage caused by toxins and environmental pollutants. The antioxidants present in celery, such as vitamin C and flavonoids, may also help support liver function, which plays a crucial role in the body's detoxification by metabolizing and eliminating toxins and unwanted substances. However, it is important to note that the human body has highly effective detoxification systems, such as the liver and kidneys, which are capable of naturally eliminating toxins and waste from the body. There is no conclusive scientific evidence to support the idea that celery juice can significantly detoxify the body, but including celery juice in a balanced diet can provide important nutrients that support overall health and well-being. 8. Weight loss aid. Celery juice is often promoted as a low-calorie, nutrient-rich beverage that can support weight loss. A serving of celery juice contains few calories but is rich in fiber, which can help promote satiety and reduce total calorie intake. The dietary fiber present in celery juice helps prolong the feeling of fullness after a meal, thus reducing the desire for unhealthy snacks and helping to control appetite throughout the day. Additionally, dietary fiber can help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes in blood sugar and energy crashes that lead to cravings for foods. Including celery juice in a balanced diet and active lifestyle can be a useful strategy for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight, providing essential nutrients with few calories. However, it's important to remember that healthy weight loss requires a combination of a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and long-term healthy lifestyle habits. Celery juice can be a beneficial addition to a balanced diet, but it should not be considered a quick fix for weight loss. It's essential to consult a healthcare professional before starting any weight loss program to ensure it's safe and suitable for individual needs. In summary, celery juice offers a variety of potential health benefits, including hydration, providing essential nutrients, anti-inflammatory properties, support for digestive health, possible cardiovascular health support, detox potential, and assistance with weight loss. Integrating celery juice into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle can be an effective strategy for improving overall health and well-being. However, more research is needed to fully understand the effects of celery juice on health and confirm its benefits. Additionally, individuals with specific medical conditions should always consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to their diet.